Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach us how you can import songs from your InShot app. Yes, most time we'll be like, how do you add song to your videos? How do you add a standard song that is not yours? And I remember that I've taught us how to generate own song using AI. So how to import those songs into your InShot app, or how you can import what is it called, all this voice background that you want to add to your videos. Is if there is any video that you saw that you like the sound, how you can import it in your InShot app so that you can use it in your own videos. It's very simple and straight to point. So let's go now. Click on video, click on new. Then it will now take me to my video gallery. Then I will now go and check out the video I want to use for this now. Okay, let me use this video. I'll click on this good. So after clicking on it, then I will now go and mute the audio, the volume, so that I can use that audio that will be importing to do everything. And remember to always remove this InShot this thing, what is it called, the watermark. Always remember to remove it, please. Don't even forget. Always remember, so that your videos will not have watermarks. It has been successfully removed. Then what next? I will now go to audio. I'll go to music. Then I will now go to extract from audio. You get it? Then I will now go and check which audio is it that I want to use for this my video, that I love that audio. Like, I love everything that is being said in that audio. Okay, let me think. Maybe is this audio now that I love what is being said here.
Hey guys, if you meet a lady today and she's always forcing you to have
So maybe I love this. I will now click, if I want to save this extracted audio, I will click on save. Then click on, I will now rename advice to men. I will now save it. Then click on good. It will now be extracted. Like, it will now be extracted. So let's wait for yes, it has been extracted. So when I click on this now, you will see
she's always forcing you to have
you see it here. So that is it. That is how to extract audio from another video, then add it to yours. You can save it. If you don't want to save it in your InShot, you can skip that option of save. Then you just click on good and it will be added to that video that you want to add it all. Then you do all other necessary editing and export it. That is all. I hope you got value. Thank you for staying by. Don't forget to subscribe. Invite your friends to also follow my channel. Thank you so much.